straighten the nose wheel. You don't want to stop with the nose wheel crooked, because then it's harder to start up again.
Straightening it is just like
You need to move forward to do it, so you don't stop rolling until you're going straight. Alright, mixture best power, strobes are on, lights, camera, action. Alright, full power. Smoothly. See what happens when the nose wheel's not straight. Wheels on the floor, no brakes. Directional control. Hand on the throttle. Airspeed's alive. Maintaining the center line. Hand on the throttle. Alright, that was okay. Good pitch attitude. 80 knots. Wings level.
Radio check.
Not clear. Lower the nose a little. We want to maintain 80 knots.
at 70.
You almost look like a real pilot.
There's a helicopter in front of us.
Yep, he's staying to our south. Probably a little more. We're about to come into the white and red.
There we go.
There, on the center line. Speed looks good.
Speed at 75, 70.
Okay.
A little high. There we go. Good.
Alright, we got the runway made, so we're going to take all the power out. Keep the pitch. Let the speed bleed off. And we're going to come into the round out. Right here, we're going to round out. Just hold the nose. Hold the nose up a little more. Up a little more. Up a little more. Up a little more. Sweet. My hand was not on it.
Woohoo!
That was soft and you did it.
Ha ha! Awesomeness.
And you got it on tape.
Alright. Brakes? No.
A little bit.
Exit here?
That was pretty good. I don't know what to say about that.
I had my warning, man.
I mean, it's ideal conditions, but I didn't help you too much.
At the ending. But that was...
That's a touchy thing, so you did pretty damn good.